How to use Notion automation feature. To use the Notion automation feature, first of all, launch the Notion application on your desktop, then open your database. Once you open your database, all you have to do is click the lightning bolt icon situated next to the search and filter button. Then click the plus new automation to open the workflow configuration pane. Then click the title at the top left to give it descriptive name. Now all you have to do is select the trigger source and choose property changes, and also make sure to choose the page events. Apply the specific filters, then select the action destination, modify the data automatically, then create nested tasks. Now send direct notifications to ping specific workspace members and entire Slack channels when updates occur. You simply have to save and test the workflow now. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.